It's like awkward. Alright, so what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing an install on the STI wing. It's a full, goddamn, can't even see it. It's a full carbon fiber STI wing. Okay, it's bright. We have the garage closed because it's raining. It's cold out here. Alright. Template. Alright, so we're going to be making a template. We're going to put paper on the bottom of this. And then once we adjust it, we're going to tape the paper to the car itself just so it's all lined up and even. And then we're going to drill the holes from there. It shouldn't have any problems with that. I'm sure people would be saying, oh, why'd you get an STI wing for a WRX? I don't really care. Like, I wanted a wing for my car, so I like the look of it. I know I don't have an STI, but oh well, still gonna look good. Alright, so we got the first template on, now we're about to put on the second one. Now the scary part. It's really into the fucking hood. Front. I'm stupid. What? Oh, like it? Not toothpaste. Toothpaste? Yeah. You go get that. Alright. So now it just comes down to lining it up and then start the drilling. It's a scary thing to drill into this.
It's super scary. Fuck.
I don't want to do it.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's actually clever. A finger.
It's a finger length.
My one piece.
That 3M works good.
Is that what that?
On the very bottom. Did I try to triple layer it? What's that? She got loose or something? Oh, fuck. Oh, that's scary. going into the bracket. I wonder what happens if I go lower. Yeah, because this one I had to go deeper to go through that second hole in the back. It's just like safety on. Done on this side, and we're about to start doing the second side right now. I gotta tell you, it's so scary drilling into your hood like or your trunk like that. Like, it scared. It scared me, but should be looking good by the end of it. Look at that trunk. We just found out that we don't have a long enough screw to go through there, and we don't have anything to drill a bigger hole out. So we're gonna have to go buy a longer screw. Wasn't planning on doing that today, but I'm gonna have to. I have no other choice. Ugh. This thing is very tedious. I'll tell you. Look at that trunk though. And then I got a dirty ass trunk. So I know I have these holes already here for the, like if I actually bought an STI wing, but since I didn't go with OEM, I had to make adjustments, and that's where that hole lines up at. So that's why we're gonna have to do that. It's to be expected when you're not buying OEM, but it's all good. Alright, so I'm about to start drilling this side, and as you can see, we use toothpaste so we can see where it's lined up at. Alright. Oh man. This is scary. Holes lined up like perfectly. These ones did not. So we're having a little trouble trying to get these bolts in. We need to bore this out more if we can. But once we do that, then we'll be golden. What the? Oh shit. But it's good seeing the wing on the car. It's a little weird. Not used to it. Hey, and it's sunny out now. Not fucking raining.
Lovely desert weather.
Weather. Oh. We made it work. But it sucks to do that.
Yeah, it does. That shit's ugly as fuck. Hopefully we never have to take off your wing though.
Yeah. Let's hope not. Finally start threading it in. That gap though. That person was just looking over here.
My neighbors hate me, that's why.
Yeah. Especially every time I come around. Popping down the street.
No, yesterday I was just revving the shit out of the CRX and...
Were you?
Yes.
Revving the shit out of the CRX? That thing over there? And Clarissa's fucking little Miata? That thing needs to get painted. And lowered. Got the trunk all done, bolted down. Now we're gonna pull it out of the garage. See if install it. so cold outside right now. Love it. Oh my God, it's cold. I love the way it came out. Looks really good. Popping it. That backfire though. Huh? Yeah. You push the clutch in? There we go. Probably just gonna throw on the 5mm spacers that I got because I need a little better fitment. Sorry if the wind's too much. So I got spacers. I had to buy new ones. I bought these. Can't even see them. Ugh. I bought these off of Amazon. I had to buy another set because I bought these at O'Reilly's and I wasn't paying attention when I bought them. I thought they might have fit, but then I guess these are used for a damn truck because that hole is way too big and my lug nuts are like in this circle almost. So I had to buy these and made sure they actually fit my bolt pattern and everything, so they'll be pretty good. So last night my phone died, sorry about that, but we finished the wing. Looks all good and shiny, and we ended up putting the spacers on just to get it a little better. I know it was only 5mm spacers, so it didn't do too much. So if you can see in there, it didn't do too much. But the way the car looks with the wing, love it. Sorry about the wind, but there's nothing I can do. I'm using my phone, so I don't have any microphones to help that. So I'm gonna end it here. Thank you guys for watching. If you could please support me, like, comment, subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. I'll see you guys in the next video.